Welcome to Boldeck eLearning. In today's video, we will talk about how to find and remove duplicates from lists. So in this example, we have two kinds of lists, the continuous list, like this one, and the list that is divided into two columns like this one. So let's start with the continuous list. We will select it first and then go to conditional formatting under the home ribbon. Highlight cells rules, go to duplicate values, okay, and then here we will select if we want to highlight duplicates or unique values. We need to highlight duplicates, and I want them to be light red filled with a dark red text. We can change that using the drop down menu, or we can work with custom formatting. Okay, let's press OK. And here you go, we have our duplicates highlighted. The other type of lists is very similar. We will select the first list and then press on the control button and hold it and select the next list. We will go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, duplicate values. Similarly, press OK. And there you go, these are your duplicates. So let's say that you want to remove these duplicates. How to do that? We will select our list and go to data ribbon. From there, we will select remove duplicates. And we will have, in case we have multiple columns, in case we selected multiple columns, we can select which columns I want to remove duplicates from. In case we have headers, make sure to check this tick box. Okay, let's press on OK now, and as you can see, we have a warning message that we have 4 duplicates values that are going to be removed and 26 unique values that will remain. Now for the second type of lists, if we select these lists and then go to remove duplicates, it will not work. We will have an error. As you can see, we have to select a single range to work with this tool. In order to do that, you can simply take out this list, Ctrl X or cut it, and then Ctrl V to have a continuous list. Select it and remove duplicates and press OK. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you have any questions or concerns, please put them in the comments and we will answer them as soon as possible. Thank you and take care.